My name is Natalia. It is the first time that I come to this retreat. I came last year. We had the winter solstice here as well, so that was like a mini retreat. I live in Sydney, but I'm originally from Colombia. I love the water, so definitely enjoy any activity that involves getting in the ocean. I mean, the south coast is amazing, and I have been very lucky to be at Bay and Bush a few times, and it's amazing. I find it such a relaxing, grounding place, and the staff, they are all so lovely and adorable, so you know you're always gonna have a good time. And when you put on top activities like, like the workshops we've had and yoga, it just definitely seemed like an amazing time for myself, and really, take a lot of that pressure off after busy periods. The highlight has been that I have been surprised. It's not often that you get surprised by things, and even though when I look at the activities, I'm like, oh yeah, cool. I mean, this sounds like normal. When I really was inside, like doing for example, the clay workshop, I would have never thought it was gonna be something that I would enjoy to that degree. But I think it's because of the people that have been running like the activities. They have such an amazing human connection, and they really take it to the next level. Of course. I am definitely coming back any time I get the chance to to come here, and even just a walk around the property. It's amazing, so I will definitely be back. If I was to describe this experience in one word, I would call it enriching.